balik yun nga yung Limitless Trilogy. Sobrang ganda.
Thank
Like,
you. So sa mga
sobrang
hindi
ganda talaga.
nakakaalam, yung Limitless Trilogy, it's like an online concert. Para siyang documentary, pero concert siya. Parang I sing my songs, pero naglilibot kami sa iba't ibang parts ng Philippines. So, kaya siya trilogy kasi Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Nung first
yun
leg
na nga, yun na pala
namin,
yung next. Inunahan ko na. As a fangirl na Limitless.
So yung first leg namin, that was in Sultan Kudarat. We shot that there sa Sultan Kudarat. It was so amazing kasi first time ko makakita ng mountain range. Alam mo yung wow, ang ganda, ang galing talaga. Tapos it was such an amazing experience kasi takot pa kami dyan that time kasi
Pandemic.
yung pandemic tapos nagka-quarantine pa lahat, ganyan. So we had to do swab tests every now and then. Tapos parang nag-lock-in din kami sa isang hotel, ganyan. Hindi kami pwedeng basta-basta lumabas kasi mga naka-mask pa kami, ganyan. Social distancing. As in parang nag-ask pa kami ng permit if we can fly.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, I think, hindi masyadong nag-offer ng flights, diba?
Charter flights pa yung meron.
Oo. Tapos, may nagkaroon ng window, nagkaroon ng opportunity. Sabi ko, sige, try nga natin ganyan. So, eto din, meron din siyang like foreshadowing na, this is the transition. Ito na yung nagta-transition na tayo sa pandemic, sa adjustment period, ganyan. Hanggang sa slowly, nagmabalik na tayo sa normal ulit, diba?
Yeah.
So, yun. It was an amazing experience kasi, ayun, I got to meet different people. Talagang parang, yung na-miss natin na connection sa isa't isa during the pandemic, parang na-experience ko dyan.
Yeah. Grabe
Yeah.
na, ako parang nadadala ako
Oo.
kasi I remember how naiiyak ako! Bumili kasi ako ng ticket niyan. And I remember how I felt like, how inspired I felt parang watching you sing your original songs. Yung nandun ka sa on top of yung sa bundok, tapos yung naka-gold ka na dress. Tas, ay, wala. Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Sobrang ganda ng concert series mo na to, ate. Like,
It was
one
amazing.
Of my favorites of
It
yours.
was an amazing experience. Kumbaga parang hindi lang din as an artist, pero as a person, alam mo yun, parang naramdaman ko yung growth inside of me na, wow, there's so much more to life.
Yeah. At syempre, award-winning yan. Silver Award sa New York Festival.
New York Festival.
TV and Film Awards.
Oh, wow. Sobrang wow.
Grabe.
We have an amazing team. We have an amazing team. Sila Direk Paolo. And kumbaga parang kung hindi din ako nag-yes sa project ito, baka wala yan. So, ako medyo natakot din ako, but it's a sobrang worth it ng risk na to. As in, super.
Yeah.
Yes,
Grabe,
and
no?
nakita naman natin ang kinalabasan. Grabe,
Yun nga eh.
diba?
And ito ate yung ano mo 'di ba? Ito yung launch mo as Asia's Limitless.
Yeah. So I guess it came from that.
In-interview pa kita nun eh. I don't know
Yeah.
if you remember, we had a podcast before Behind the Song. Ito yung time
Yes.
na
Yes. Tama.
na magsa-start
Tama,
pa lang
tama.
to Limitless, and yun in-interview ko nun si Ate
Oo,
Jules. It seems so
correct.
long ago.
Oh my gosh.
Grabe, congrats ate.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats. Oh, next. Siyempre,
Yon.
Wow.
your billboard sa New York Times Square.
Grabe.
How important was this moment for you, ate?
Super. As in, parang siya. Hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling eh. You know, kapag ka may something ka na mangyayari sa buhay mo, like, sobrang, hindi mo alam kung ano yung magiging reaction mo or parang nasa lost, parang nasa trance ka, alam mo yung ganun. Parang hanggang ngayon nga hindi ko malubos maisip na like, wow, yung mukha ko nandyan sa New York.
Yes.
I mean, sobrang thankful lang din ako, of course, sa Spotify for like, featuring me and other Filipino acts and Filipino artists talaga na sobrang deserving to be known. Not only here, pero like all over the world. Oh, nakakatuwa. I think may mga iba rin ako kasama dyan, pero just to be like one of them is a super big deal for me.
Deserve,
super,
ate.
Serve.
like,
Deserve.
Yeah.
Yung akala mo yung na-achieve mo, yun na yung pinaka-top, pero meron pang mas
Meron pa.
top doon. No?
Lagi
Yung mga
kang
ganun.
surprise ni
Yun
Lord.
nga.
na
Eh,
meron
kaya
pa.
As in.
nagigets ko yung sinasabi mo, Ate Julie, na parang hindi siya nagsisink in sa'yo na, meron pa,
Oo.
Lord, grabe ka naman.
Yeah.
Parang, recently nga, I've been reading na, parang laging dumadating sa akin yung mga quote na, wag mong tipirin yung hinihingi mo sa universe. The universe is not on a budget. God is not on a budget. You can ask for more.
Yes. Totoo yan. Tsaka, basta blessings after blessings eh.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
When it rains,
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello mga ka-triggered! Pag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ATM YouTube channel, definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell para updated kayo sa mga latest ganaps. Kita-kits!